So if you have a histogram like this, and if you don't want just 3 bins, which is probably a good idea, 3 is too few. Um, eh, the button you got to click is we got to click on the histogram, and then chart design, add chart element, even though we're not really adding an element. We got to go to axes, and then more axis options, because we're editing something along the axis, along the x-axis, right? So you bring up those more chart options, and I think it's default set to, maybe it's automatic. But you'll want to click bin width, and then this is where you can customize your bin width, or you could choose the number of bins and just let Excel figure it out. But probably the best is to just look at your data set and find out a natural bin width. I'm just going to go with 1,000, see how that looks. There's no perfect number, for the bin width in a histogram, but and so that can change the number of bins. And you can change number of bins, just let Excel automatically do it like we said, but that's what it looks like for 1,000.